Today, I will be sharing with you how I make Mehndi, or henna paste for body art. Starting with my big bag of henna, I measured out 55 grams of powder. In addition to distilled water to make the paste, I am using 2 teaspoons of sugar to help the paste stick to the skin, Next, I am using 1/4 cup of lemon juice to help the dye release, and lastly, I am adding a few drops of lavender essential oil, which will darken the stain and add a nice fragrance to the paste. After mixing the lavender oil through the paste, I will cover it and let it sit overnight. The dye has released, but it's not finished yet. This paste should be the consistency of toothpaste. Therefore, I added more distilled water until the paste falls smoothly off of the fork. After the paste is mixed well and has the consistency of toothpaste, I transfer it into this container which was used to hold glue. This bottle was perfect because it came with a seal I could put on to keep the henna from drying out, and the bottle was easy to hold. This paste was so perfect, I found it hard to even transfer it to the bottle. After shaking the bottle and poking it with a stick, I finally came to my senses and squeezed the bottle so that the paste would fall through. Well, we're almost done here. Just getting the final drops out and cleaning off the bottle. Adding the airtight seal. And the cap. That's all.